Namaste, welcome to Rasmita's kitchen. Today we will make a recipe that is the Habisar dal. That is the specific dal made in Kartik month only. So let's start how it makes. Take one small glass of moong dal, that is the main ingredient for this dal. Heat a pan and fry it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes it will take out into a bowl and wash it properly. And again heat that same pan with 4 glasses of water and put the dal and allow to cook. And side by side we have to cut some unique vegetables like raw banana, govardhan, arbi, and cut like this and wash properly. When the dal is half cooked, then put all the vegetables into it and then take a small piece of ginger and 2 to 3 or 3 to 4 green chili. I have just crushed the ginger and cut a slice in the green chili and put into it. Then put salt as per taste. Mix it properly and cover it and allow to cook till the dal is properly cooked. It will take 15 to 20 minutes. After that, open it. After that, open it and put fresh grated coconut into it and allow to cook for 5 minutes. Then side by side, for tempering the dal, heat a tadka pan with 1 spoon of ghee and put 1 spoon of cumin seeds, that is jeera. When the jeera is just crackle out, switch off the flame and then the tadka mixture put into a dal and immediately cover it. Then the dal is ready and switch off the flame. Then take out into a serving bowl and garnish with some fresh grated coconut and tulsi leaf. Then the Habisar dal is ready. If you like my video, please do subscribe my channel and hit the like button and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you for watching.